Hi, this is Deborah Harris here, and I'm bringing to you a cash flow tip about overheads. Overheads are those fixed costs of the business that you have to pay no matter what. So, no matter how much you sell, you have to pay these costs. So, our tip of the day is to outsource some processes to make use of cheaper resources. More and more, we're finding that there's plenty of places that are springing up, like Upwork, that allow us to tap into qualified people who can do some processing or do some of the back end work for us. So, have a look to see what processes you have in your business that you're using expensive talent to do, and think about freeing up your expensive talent to have the capacity to drive your products and services forward rather than spending their time doing doing the back end work in a more expensive way. So this is an overheads tip, and it's one of the cash flow and profit levers of your business.